Hi, I'm Allison Vicenzi. I've been sewing since I was a kid, but I gave it up for a long time. Now I've been using my grandma's old machine to sew masks, but I started with a women's blazer design a few years ago made in New York City. This was my first design and it was all sustainable natural materials, but then I got even more sustainable by reusing things that already existed. I've been remaking things using sewing and block printing and covering up stains and using natural dyes like indigo and flower bundles to remake socks and skirts and shirts and anything that wasn't being used anymore. I learned how to embroider and make accessories and jewelry mashups. And people started giving me their old materials and I started making other things. And I thought, what if people could trade in what they're not using anymore, all those dribs and drabs and bits and baubles, trade in their clothes and anything that was stained or torn or just not in use, and we could remake it, revive it. There's people like me that are doing this design using old materials. Won't it be better when all these designers replay together? So the replay marketplace takes the trade-ins from the customers, the designers that know how to remake them, we connect and share and put it all in one place. That's it.